Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The very first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, so of course I will show you both. And let's begin with opening the dialer because this is the place where we will enter the code, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see by this code we are provided with the IMEI number connected to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another option which will also allow us to check the serial number of this device. So let's reach the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and here let's enter the status. And as you can see, after scrolling down we can check the serial number which weren't available before option to check the IMEI and serial number, and we can also check the IMEI information just by tapping on it. As you can see here, we've got the IMEI number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.